Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter number 1 with question number 19, as you all have completed till question number 18. Okay, so first of all, let us understand question number 19. The question number 19 says, it is given in page number 13, okay, from your workbook. So all of you take out first of all page number 13 from your workbook, okay. The question says, answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. So we have to read out this table. The table says a bullock cart, that means type of vehicles. These are the type of vehicles. That means bullock cart, tempo rickshaw, tractor and truck. The capacity, this means how much they can hold, how much they can carry. Okay, so capacity to carry mangoes in one trip. This means a bullock cart can carry 200 kg in one trip. Tempo rickshaw can carry 700 kg. Tractor 1000 kg and truck 6000 kg. Okay. Now over here the speed is given. The speed for the bullock cart is 5 km. That means speed is always given with respect to time. Okay. This means it is given 5 km per hour. मीन्स एक घंटे में, एक आवर में 5 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहा है कौन? बुलॉक कार्ट. ओके, दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ व्हीकल, यानी बुलॉक कार्ट एक घंटे में 5 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहा है. सिमिलरली 15 किलोमीटर इज ट्रैवल्ड बाय टेम्पो रिक्शा इन 1 hour, 25 kilometers is traveled by a tractor in 1 hour and 45 kilometers of distance is travelled by a truck in 1 hour. Now we are going to solve these questions. Some of the questions are given. For instance, the first question, how much mangoes will a bullock cart carry in 3 trips? How many trips? 3 trips. Okay, 3 trips. So first of all we will see the capacity. The capacity of bullock cart is 200 kg, right? So bullock cart will carry, now we are going to write down the solution. That means bullock cart will carry 200 kg in one trip. That means 200 into 3 kg in 3 trips. Got it? So 200 into 3 kg mangoes, which is equals to 600 kg mangoes. Move on to the second question. How much mangoes will a tractor carry in 5 trips? Just like question number 1, but the type of vehicle is changed. Tractor over here. So the capacity of tractor is 1000 kg and it is given in 5 trips. So the same question with different numbers. Tractors will carry 1000 into 5 kg mangoes. This means 1000 into 5 is equals to 5000 kg mangoes. Question number 3. This is a little bit different question. What distance will a tempo rickshaw travel in 4 hours? 4 hours में, यानी 4 hours में tempo rickshaw कितना distance travel करेगा? तो 1 hour में, यानी 1 घंटे में 15 किलोमीटर it will travel. तो 1 घंटे में 15 किलोमीटर, तो 4 hours में कितने? Similarly, in 4 hours, a tempo rickshaw will travel 15 multiplied by 4 kilometers, which is equals to 60 kilometers. Okay? Now, question number 4. What distance will a truck travel in 2 hours? Just like question number 3. Okay? So, over here we will see once again truck. What is its speed? That means 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 1 घंटे में 45 किलोमीटर, तो 2 घंटे में कितने? ओके, सो अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. सो 45 multiplied by 2 is equals to 90 kilometer. Question number 5 says, how much time will a bullock cart take to travel the distance of 70 kilometer? Okay, so first of all we have to find out the time. Okay, so we will write down the speed. Speed of bullock cart is equals to 5 km per hour, which we have written from here. The speed of bullock cart, this is bullock cart and the speed is given over here. That means 5 km per hour. 1 घंटे में 5 किलोमीटर, ओके, 1 घंटे में 5 किलोमीटर्स ट्रैवल करता है कौन? बुलॉक कार्ट, ओके। सो स्पीड ऑफ बुलॉक कार्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, देयरफॉर टाइम टेकन टू ट्रैवल 70 किलोमीटर की 70 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, ओके, अंडरस्टूड। सो ओवर हियर वी विल डिवाइड। सो 70 किलोमीटर को ट्रैवल करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? तो 70 अपॉन 5 आवर्स, दैट मीन्स 14 आवर्स, ओके। यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग द डिविजन स्टिल। आई विल शो यू द डिविजन कि डिविजन कैसे करेंगे। 5 से हम 14 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, सॉरी, वी आर डिवाइडिंग 70 बाई 5, ओके। So 5 ones are 5. You got remainder 2. That means 7 minus 5, 2. Now this is 0. So bring down. This is 20. So 5 4s are 20. Now subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So what is the answer? 14. That is why we have written 14 hours. Okay. Now let us turn the page. Move on to question number 6. How much time will a tractor take to travel the distance of 100 kilometer? So the speed of tractor is 25 kilometer per hour over here. This is given here. 25 kilometer per hour. Okay, tractor. Here it is tractor and the speed is 25 kilometer per hour. So this is 25 kilometer per hour. Now we will write time taken to travel 100 kilometer is equals to 100 upon 25. That means 4 hours. On dividing, you will get 4. Okay. Now question number 20. Sneha counted the number of vehicles passed by a road. This means Sneha was counting the total number of vehicles which are passing by on the road. So how many vehicles she counted? 2000 vehicles. Okay, so 2000 vehicles passed by in 2 hours. 2 घंटे में, 2 hours में 2000 vehicles उस रोड से पास हो गए. 1/2 of the vehicles were cars, यानी 1/2 of the vehicles, यानी टोटल 2000 vehicles के हाफ जो vehicles हैं वो क्या थे? cars. 1/4 of them were auto rickshaws. 1/4, okay, 1/4 मतलब 1/4. तो जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिक्शाज थे उसके 1/4 जो व्हीकल्स हैं वो ऑटो रिक्शाज हैं, ओके, एंड द रिमेनिंग वेयर ट्रक्स, और जो बच गए हैं वो ट्रक्स हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स, दैट मीन्स फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स ऑफ ईच टाइप. तो वी हैव रिटन कार्स. कार्स इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 2000 का हाफ. सो 2000 का हाफ, हाफ मीन्स 1/2. So 2000 is divided by 2. You will get 1000. Okay. Auto rickshaws. 2000 multiplied by 1/4. यानी 2000 का 1/4, 1/4. Okay. 1/4. So 2000 is divided by 4. You will get 500. मतलब 1000 cars हैं, 500 auto rickshaws हैं. Okay. So now we have to find the number of trucks. Trucks कितने हैं यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है. So number of trucks मतलब जो बच गए हैं वो ट्रक्स ही हैं. तो टोटल है 2000 और जितने टोटल कार और ऑटो रिक्शाज हैं उन टोटल को माइनस कर देना है. So 1000 plus 50, this is, sorry, 500. So 1000 plus 500, that means 1500, which will be subtracted from 2000 and the answer will be 500. This means 500 trucks were there, 500 auto rickshaws were there and 1000 cars were there. Is it understood? And the same type of question is over here which I wish you will be doing it yourself. But some of the things I'll be writing it down over here. But we will understand the question first of all. 150 vehicles passed by a village road in 2 hours. Got it? Out of these, यानी 2 घंटे में 150 vehicles village के road से पार हुए. Out of these, 1/3 of the vehicles were scooter. तो यहाँ पे देखो हम पहले लिखेंगे scooters is equals to total is 150 और 150 का 1/3. Is it written 1/3? This means 150 का 1/3. Okay, so 150 will be divided by 3. 150 को जब आप 3 से डिवाइड करोगे you will get 50. Okay. Next, 1/5 of them were bullock carts. Now we will write bullock carts is equals to how many? 1/5 of them. यानी total 150 और उसका 1/5. So 150 divided by 5. Okay. When you divide 150 by 5, you will get 30. Okay. Now the next question says bullock cart and the remaining were tractors. और जो बाकी के vehicles हैं वो क्या हैं? Tractors हैं. Then find the number of vehicles of each type. तो अभी tractors बाकी है. So tractors is equals to how many? Total 150 बिल्कुल इसके जैसा है. 150 minus what? This plus this. This means 50 plus 30, which is equals to 150 minus 50 plus 30. How much? 80. Yes. So 150 minus 80 is equals to how many? 70. That means 70 tractors were there. Is it clear to all of you? Very good. If you have understood this one, you have to do it yourself. Okay, try to do this question yourself, and today I will make you understand question number 21. Okay, out of which we will do the first one, and second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth will be your homework for today. So do understand this question. Question number 21. Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. Type of mango. This is badam. 60 rupees per kg. यानी 1 किलो बादाम आम का कॉस्ट कितना है? 60 rupees. तोतापुरी 40 rupees. Hafus, which is known as Alfonso, which is 50 rupees per kg. Langda. In Gujarati we call it langdo. So 70 rupees kg and kesar 150 rupees kg. Okay. So the question says Sudha Bain buys 3 kg badam mangoes. Which type of mangoes? Badam mango. How much amount does she pay? So how much amount she will pay? यानी वो शॉपकीपर को कितने पैसे देगी. So we will write cost of 1 kg badam mango is equals to how much? 60 rupees. Okay, 60 rupees. Therefore we have to find cost of 3 kg badam mango is equals to 1 kg 60 rupees. So 3 kg 60 multiplied by 3. Okay, which is equals to 6 3s are 18 and 1 0. That means rupees 180. Is it understood to all of you? Number 2. Mayaben buys 5 kg Totapuri mango and Jayaben buys 4 kg Hafus mango. Mayaben buys 5 kg Totapuri mango and Jayaben buys 4 kg Hafus mango. So how much amount do they pay individually to the shopkeeper? दोनों ही कितने अमाउंट पे करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड फॉर मायाबेन एंड सेकेंडली वी विल फाइंड फॉर जयाबेन. ओके, सो हाफ ऑफ इट आई विल बी डूइंग ओवर हियर. मायाबेन, got it? This is for Mayaben. The same thing again we will do. So cost of 5 kg what? Totapuri, isn't it? Totapuri mango is equals to 5 multiplied by what? The cost of per kg Totapuri mango. So please refer over here. This is Totapuri mango and the cost is rupees 40. So 5 into 40. That means 5 fours are 20 and 1 0. That means 200 rupees. So Mayaben will pay how much? Rupees 200 to the shopkeeper, and let us find for Jayaben. So here is Jayaben. Now cost of 4 kg Hafus mango, because Jayaben buys 4 kg Hafus mango. So cost of 4 kg Hafus mango is equals to 4 multiplied by cost of Hafus mango is equals to rupees 50. So again 5 fours are 20 and 0. So you can see both of them are paying the same amount of money. So we will write finally Mayaben and Jayaben will pay rupees 200 to the shopkeeper individually. Is it understood to everyone? So we have completed question number 1 and 2. Okay, now your today's homework is question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Thank you children.